please just tell me what's on your mind, 'cause I don't have time to figure it out. We haven't been our best for long. I think that we're just holding on to something that won't work out. Maybe we should walk away, just say goodbye and go our separate ways. I can feel it deep inside. We will never work this out. We will never work this out. I can feel it deep inside. We will never work this out. We will never work this out. We're falling down. We're falling down. What's happening right now? I think we're falling down. I think we're falling down.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share another episode of my Fall in Love with Fall series, and this time we're giving my home office a makeover. I hope you enjoy.
Know that you tried your best as well.
So guys, here we are in my home office. I've moved my desk across, and what I'm going to do is start by taking out this rug. I'm also going to remove all the decor as well as the decor on the walls.
And I can feel it deep inside. We will never work this out. We will never work this out. I can feel it deep inside. We will never work this out. We will never work this out. We're falling down. We're falling down. What's happening right now? I think we're falling down. I think we're falling down. I think we're falling down. I think we're falling.
So I'm going in with some Windex and some paper towel to clean my mirrored buffet. Now guys, you're going to see me decorate this a number of ways. I still wasn't feeling quite well this day when I was filming, and I changed my mind a few times. So I thought I'd still show you how my style evolved until I got to the finish. So I started with this gorgeous white mirrored lace pumpkin. I've had this for a couple of years now guys, and it's from TK Maxx. I then took my DIY garland that I made for my pink mantle, and I'm going to take 2 pieces of that and place it on either side of the pumpkin. Now, I thought this was oh so pretty, but on the day, guys, it just didn't grow on me. So I decided that it wasn't the right pink with my pink shiplap wall. So I decided to actually take it all off and start again. Now, I also added this arch mirror and this gorgeous wreath that my beautiful friend here on YouTube, Betsy Ann, gifted me. And I really love this as well until the next day. And I decided, no, I'm going to change it again. So I'm going in and I'm giving the room a really good vacuum. So on this same day, I was so excited because my new rug arrived. Now guys, if you follow My Texas House on Instagram, she has the most beautiful collection of rugs. And unfortunately, they don't sell them here in Australia, but I have found an online way to get them here. And I recently purchased the beautiful blush pink Charlotte rug from the My Texas House collection. And the website that I go through is called youbuy.com.au. And I thoroughly recommend this company, guys. I am nowhere near sponsored by them, but I have bought a few rugs off them recently, and I cannot stress to you how wonderful they have been in terms of shipping, keeping me updated, text messages when it arrives in Australia, when it's on the truck coming to my house. I cannot recommend this company enough. So here I just used my ginger jars to flatten out the end of the rug, guys. I just left it for a couple of hours and it flattened itself out. And I'm also removing the stuff off the top of the buffet. I also bought in my throne chair, and I absolutely love how it looked with the rug. I then placed my desk back into the centre of the room. I then gave my desk a really good clean down. I then added some decor, including my Z Gallery pumpkins. You'll notice here that I'm also using that white lace pumpkin, and I changed my mind again.
If they saw us exchanging glances, I was too busy to fall in love. You were too busy to break my heart. Nobody else was there to stop us. Nobody else was there to warn us. Now we go on and on with this poor love song we've been working on far too long, baby. Do you still remember when our hearts tuned up spontaneously?
Now you know your girl Chelle loves me some leopard print, and I added this gorgeous leopard print throw from TK Maxx, as well as my Pottery Barn pumpkin cushion.
Too busy watching the TV screen. Now we're just betting on broken dreams.
Now the following day I took a trip to the reject shop, and I was absolutely obsessed with these beautiful shelves. I really wanted to add some gold into my decor, guys, so I decided to buy 4 of these shelves and put 2 on either side of my wall. Now again, I changed my mind about that white arch mirror, and I'm going to use this gold mirror, guys, which was a DIY from Kmart. I'll leave the video for you linked down below, but this is just a black arched mirror from Kmart that I spray painted gold, and I added an eBay embellishment at the top. Now also from the reject shop, guys, I got these A4 size gold frames, and I haven't put pictures in them as yet, but I really wanted to do a gold gallery wall, and I really love how it came.
Now we go on and on with this poor love song we've been working on far too long, baby. Do you still remember when our hearts tuned up spontaneously? On and on like a marathon, we keep running from fighting for something. Something to remind us that we're better than this poor love song. Something to remind us that we're better than this poor love song. I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive.
So guys, you definitely know I'm definitely a girly glam girl at heart, and I love my home office. I love that it has blush pink touches. I love that it has a rustic feel about it, a very French provincial feel about it. All those particular styles rolled into one, and it makes me so happy to come into this room. I know whether I just wasn't feeling well when I was decorating these last couple of days, guys, and I just didn't feel like I could get it right, so I had to go away and come back to it. Do you do that when you decorate your homes? It's sometimes you have a really good day where you really get it, and then other days you just feel like, no, this ain't working. So I love that I can just put it to rest and then come back to it another day, and then it all comes together the way that you had envisioned. Now, I haven't completely finished, guys. I have actually ordered a new curtain for this room, so I'm just waiting for that. That's coming from Etsy. But overall, I am so happy with how this room came. Now, thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back again on Wednesday. I'll have a wonderful DIY project coming your way. So don't forget to tap your notification bells so you'll be aware next time I upload a video. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching. I hope you're all having a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. Yeah, I don't know what you do.